Hey guys, in this makeup look, I'm doing a spring goth collaboration with some other ladies, and we basically did our own twist on spring goth in honor of World Goth Day, which is May 22nd. Sorry, I had no idea when. Here are the ladies participating: Rachael from Rae Young, Lisa from the Curvy Cuban, Samantha from Samantha Slaughter, Sara from the Daily Dose of Sara O, Shelly from Shelly Ślączka, Tara from Tara Beauty 36. So yeah, I used the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette to achieve my look. That's the purple palette, the purple velvet. I did a very smoky eye and also metallic lip, shimmery smoky eye and metallic lip, both of which I feel is very gothy. And also I feel like the purples, the lavenders really help to embrace the spring twist of the goth look. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I achieve my look, keep watching. First, taking my Too Faced Shadow Insurance, spreading this as my primer all over the eye. Today I'm using my Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. Y'all know what it looks like. I'm using this beautiful green this time and a couple of other shades. The first color I'm going to take is called Sworn Enemy. This one here. Nice frosty green. Taking a flat brush. If I move my neck weird, I have like some type of strain or something. I think I slept wrong or something. I'm packing this in the center. This is a MAC 242 brush. That is not as intense as I would like. I want it more metallic, so I'm taking my Urban Decay All Nighter. Feel free to use water if you have it. But I'm spritzing my brush with this. Now I'm going to take some matte shades to, you know, kind of blend everything. Okay, so in the inner corner, I'm taking this color called Vivid Mood. Taking a different brush because I don't want that color damp. This is just a cheap old random flat brush from some brush set. And this is going in the inner corner. And you just want to blend it. That's looking back and forth. I'm actually going to extend that purple into the inner corner. For the outer V, I'm going to take this dark purple called Dungeon. And I'm going to take an e.l.f. contour brush. Not going up too high because I'm putting a totally different color in the crease. Actually, I'm going to go in the crease a little bit. Into the crease, I'm taking this brush from MAC. It's a smoky eye brush, not MAC, Bare Minerals. And I'm taking this color called Blood Queen. It's a royal purple. Normally I take something much lighter, but I want to do this. I'm going back in with the darker purple called Dungeon, the Plum. Darkening that up. Dusting that same brush off, and I'm taking the lightest color called Your Majesty. For lower lash line, I'm going to take this dark color. It's a cream gel liner. This is ColourPop cream gel liner in Fast Lane. It's like a dark teal. I smoked it out way lower than I would normally. I'm going to set that with a flat brush, and I'm taking this dark teal in the palette called Vile Serpent. Do I want to use that? Actually, no, I'm going to use it. This color here. In the inner corner, I'm taking this color called Pink Magic, Shimmery Pink. Just touching up any colors I see that needs it. For liner at the top, I'm going to do Thicker Wing. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. Using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in dark 40. Clean up the outer edge that I screwed up. Clean it off immediately afterwards, otherwise you will have black on it and you will mess up your concealer. Now I'm going to set my concealer, something I never do, and I need to. It's inexcusable. This is the NYX Hd Finishing Powder. I've never used this, but I've read great reviews, so It's just, you know, translucent, transparent. This is a MAC 227. You could use something fluffier, but this is just all I have in here at the moment. I think this is going to really help stop my concealer from creasing, because I do have issues with creasing. It's not terrible, but it does crease. Probably because I've never done this. And already it looks like it's sitting it into place. Setting it into place? Yeah, because sitting is for a person, setting is for an object. I'm going to apply some mascara. This is the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara. Gonna apply some lashes. These are just some from Amazon. Gotta go ahead and have that lash band when I'm thinking about it. Didn't really take much effort. Gonna conceal my hyperpigmentation with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in Dark Zero. I'm using the exact same brush I use for concealer under my eyes as I normally do, because it kind of helps lighten it up a little bit. It helps it blend better into my skin complexion. And just feather it out. For foundation, I'm taking the Bare Minerals Made to Fit Fresh Face Liquid Foundation. Using this RC Cosmetics, I think Royal Care Cosmetics, pointed foundation brush. Gonna go back in with that NYX HD Finishing Powder, and I'm just going to set all of that I just did. This is an e.l.f. complexion brush. I'm not putting too much on my face because I do like the dewy finish in my skin. I just want to make sure everything's all nice and smooth and there's no excess shine anywhere. Now should I start doing this? Now to add some more frost back to my skin, because y'all know I love my frost. I'm using, this is the Nars High Voltage Highlighting Palette in Fortes de France. I think it is from like a holiday collection or something. Palette looks like this. I believe I'm going to take this lighter shade here. I'm using just this random fan brush. And I'm digging my brush in there because it's not super frosty, it's more of a natural highlight. Which is okay, it's just not me. But the more you build it, it looks more like myself. For blush, I'm taking the Nars Tiles blush. Taking this MAC 116. Okay, lips. I'm actually gonna do something I never do, something that makes me highly uncomfortable. I'm gonna wear frost on the lips. This is the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Restraints. And because it gives me nausea, that's why I'm using it. I don't want to use this, but perfect for goth. Anything dark and shiny, basically. It's honestly not as bad as I thought it would be. Just not anything I would frequent or anything. It does take a little bit of layering. I hate the sheerness of it. I like it with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed my spring goth inspired look. Although I do not do frosty lips, I must say I kind of like these. I might wear them more often. They're different. I like. Don't forget to check out the other ladies. I will have all of them linked below so you can check out all of their spring goth inspired looks inspired by World Goth Day. Also, rate this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not. Also, subscribe to the other ladies. Collaborate pretty often. A lot of us participate in all of the collaborations, so in case you don't want to miss any of them, be sure to subscribe to all of us. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.